What's up, guys? This is Will H Tech Review, back with another video. And today we're going to take a look at a camera that I picked up. This is a point and shoot camera. I was in the market for another point and shoot, and so this is the one I picked up. This is the Panasonic Lumix ZS100. This has a 1-inch sensor. This is 20.1 megapixel sensor. Like I said, this is a point and shoot digital camera with the Leica DC10X lens. And I picked this up from Best Buy for $399.99. And let's look at some of the product features and details. So like I said, this has the 20.1 megapixel 1-inch high sensitivity MOS sensor. It can capture high resolution images, 54, 72 by 36, 48 pixels. Has a 10 times optical zoom, up to 4 times digital. Like I said, this is the Leica lens, and it has the equivalent of 25 millimeters to 250 millimeters, which is like a 35 millimeter camera equivalent. Has a 3-inch color touchscreen TFT LCD display, eye level electronic viewfinder, 4K Ultra HD video recording. You can also take 4K photos, 4K post focus photo capture features. This has the Venus engine image processor, hybrid OIS plus stabilization system, tilt correction function, and full range of scene modes such as silky skin, clear portrait, backlit, child's face, things of that nature, and face detection technology. Continuous shooting mode, high speed burst mode delivers up to 50 frames per second. Auto and custom preset white balance controls, built-in multi-flash mode, 49 area auto focus, Wi-Fi, mobile, device connectivity, multi-card slot, and just a host of features. And I've tried several point and shoot cameras within the last 2 months or so. I just didn't bring them to the channel. I was looking for just a nice little point and shoot to carry around. So this is it. Some of the same specs I read off: 4K photo, post focus, the 1-inch MOS, 20.1 megapixel, the Leica lens, 10 times zoom. So my box came in the mail like this. Here's some more stuff, guys. And it was beat up. It was in one of those little paper, didn't come in a box. They just put it in an envelope, and it was beat up. So shout out to Best Buy. So let's see what's all in the box here. So you get some paperwork, all of your paperwork here that you normally get. I'm not going to go through all this. I'll take it out and we'll take a look at it. So product registration, and you get your owner's manual. Another pamphlet there. You do get your charging cable, which is USB-A to micro USB, so no type C. This has been out for a while. You get your wall brick right here, and you get some adapters if you want to use shoulder straps. That's what they're for. You get your battery, which is, here's the battery. Trying to see the size of it. Should be on this side. 25 milliamp battery, and you get a lanyard, wrist strap, and of course the camera. So here it is. Very nice looking camera, straight out the box. Gonna put the battery in it and turn it on. All right, guys. So we're back in. I have put the battery and a micro SD card in there, and so let's go ahead and turn it on. So here is the camera on here, And let's go ahead, and I want to let you guys see the zoom on this. So that's that 25 to 250 millimeter zoom. As you can see, it zooms out pretty far. And that's all the way back in. So on the top, well, let's go around it a little bit here. So you got your electronic viewfinder here. You do have a sensor. If you put your face there, it'll turn the display off. So you have a little knob right here as well, where you can adjust the electronic viewfinder for your eyesight. So you have a switch here that you can turn all that. You can stop that from happening. You can either just use the electronic viewfinder like so. So now it's only going through there. If I press it again, you can only use your display. Press it one more time, then it's set up to if you put your eye there. You also have your flash button there, just like so. You have an auto focus lock right there, or auto exposure lock. Back here you have a button to shoot 4K burst. You have a FN2 button here, and this button is to what this does is focus your pictures after you have taken it's post focus. That's what it is. So this is your post focus button, your playback button. All right, so next you have your directional pad where you can go into your menu, different things. This is how you move around if you're in your menu. So we're going to get back out of that. And you have your trash can here and your display where you can turn your display on and take things off of it. So at the top of it, you got your two speakers here, microphones, your mode dial where you can go through your different modes. You have your zoom in, zoom out, your shutter button, record button, and then this button here, as you can see, I can control my different things, your ISO, your shutter speed, different things. It depends on where you are in the camera. So this side, I put this little lanyard on here because this thing doesn't have really a big grip on it. So I just put that on. I wish this was black though. And then in here you got your micro, HDMI, and your charging port. So one thing about this, you can charge your camera. You don't have to take your battery out to charge it. So, all right, so that is the camera, guys, with your Leica lens and 2.8 to 5.9. And this is going to be a pretty good point and shoot for me. You can shoot RAW with this as well. And I think it's going to be pretty good. So this has been the unboxing of the DMC Panasonic ZS100. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Will H, I'm out.